Right, welcome back, Lair Dwellers. We're here for the opening, finally, of this bundle, the Nightmare Bundle. Now, I had to wait for this to get over from Nelson, as the local ones didn't arrive. There was some problem with shipping, and apparently they haven't arrived yet. So, luckily, I had this one on order. So, without further ado, let's crack into it. Oops, opened it wrong again. So as you can see, that front holographic bit there, yeah, that's cool. Right, let's crank open this beastie and see what we get. And this is an old looking kind of Duskmourn box that's got the packs in it. And then we have, that's the front of the TV, the art posters. So we'll put this back in. And we'll put this back in the TV. Like so. Perfect. Right, let's have a look at poster number one. Wow, that's pretty cool. And that's poster number one. This is poster number two. Oh, kind of dirty. Wow, cool. Right, let's crack into some of these. Right, what do we get inside this box? We get a sealed thing, a special little Nightmare Bundle pack, two collector boosters, and 6 play packs. Right, let's open this special one, straight off the mark. Alright, and what do we get? Oh, cool, that's very cool. And the next one is Extreme. Is a rare. Very cool. Right, we'll just open this pack now. Not actually too sure what's in this, so. It's just holographic planes. Let's crack into a collector booster. I still haven't managed to open one of these without ripping it, so hopefully. Ooh. I think I might have actually done this one okay. Ooh. So far so good for this pack. Oh! Alright, so first one is Lakeside Shack. Fear of the Dark. Say its name. Strangled Cemetery. Clockwork Percussionist. Intruding Soul Rager. Bottomless Pool and Locker Room. What's that one? Beastie Beatdown. Attack in the Box. Planes card. Screaming Nemesis foil. The Lord of Pain. Overlord of the Baelmark. Grievous Wound. And Split Up. So actually that's pretty good. There's some cards in there that I don't have, so. Okay, next collector booster. Let's hopefully I can open this one without destroying it this time. Nope. Alright, let's crack into it. We have Fear of Surveillance, then Erratic Apparition, Fanatic of the Harrowing, Cult Healer, Monstrous Emergence, Flood Pit's Drowner, Dashing Bloodsucker, Haunted Scream, Violent Urge, Forest, then the Nashi Foil, Demonic Covenant, Marina Vindrell, Roaring Furnace and Steaming Sauna, Central Elevator and Promising Stairs, and a Glimmer Horror token. Alright, let's crack into one of these. So this is just a collector booster, just a normal play booster. So Erratic Apparition, Hardened Escort, Vicious Clown, Baelmark Leech, Slavering Branch Snapper, Grand Entryway and Elegant Rotunda, Glassworks and Shattered Yard, Conductive Machete, Overgrown Zealot, the Wildfire Wickerfolk, Fear of Falling, Twitching Doll, a Mountain, and a Grand Entryway Elegant Rotunda, and a Spider token. So, pack play booster number 2, so 4 to go after this one, until I get my other Nightmare bundles. So I've got 2 locally outstanding, so I will find out later on today if they have arrived. Hopefully they have. Right, we have Emerge from Cocoon, Turn Inside Out, Fanatic of the Harrowing, Grasping Longneck, Don't Make a Sound, Seized from Slumber, Anthropide, Attack in the Box, Fear of Burning Alive, Savior of the Small, Silent Hall Creeper, Waltz of Rage, Forest, Tunnel Surveyor. Oh, and another one, oh, the gold, the signature version of that. Nice. Another one of the first Alien with Mary songs where they were still singing in English before they changed to singing in Te Reo or Māori in New Zealand. But they still do some English as well. So we have Tunnel Surveyor, Fear of Surveillance, Turn Inside Out, Fear of the Dark, Bashful Beastie, Clammy Prowler, Cackling Slasher, Growing Dread, Infernal Phantom, Duskmourn's Domination. Duskmourn's Dominate. Why have I got 2 of that? Weird. Okay. Entity Tracker, Lakeside Shack, Drag to the Roots. Right, 3 to go. And here we go. So far these are looking really awesome. Those TVs are really cool. Right. We have Horrid Vigor, Piranha Fly, Possessed Goat, Rampaging Soul Rager, Spectral Snatcher, Terramorphic Expanse, Fanatic Strength, or Frantic Strength I should say, Defiled Crypt and Cadaver Lab, Conductive Machete, Overgrown Zealot. Oh, cool. Omnivorous Fly Trap. Restricted Office and Lecture Hall. Mountain. Glimmer Seeker. Right, penultimate pack. And we have Creeping Peeper, Acrobatic Cheerleader. What's that one? Ticket Booth, Tunnel of Hope, of Hate, I should say. Final Vengeance, Spine Seeker Centipede, Give In to Violence, Monstrous Emergence, Patchwork Beastie, Commune with Evil, Stay Hidden, Stay Silent without the creature that's normally up here, Ethereal Armor, Ley Line of Transformation, Mountain, and Vanish from Sight. Right, last pack. I was hoping to have got something a little bit better in these, but never mind, I suppose that's still got 2 to go. Right, Hardened Escort, Vicious Clown, Balemerk Leech, Slavering Barn Snapper, Tunnel Surveyor, Clammy Prowler, Terramorphic Expanse, Disturbing Mirth, Orphans of the Wheat, Haunted Screen, Ghostly Keybearer, Enduring Tenacity, an Island, and Stay Hidden, Stay Silent foil with the creature. Right, and that's it. That's your welcome. That was the first look at the Nightmare bundles. Still, I would have to say they're pretty damn cool though. Those posters are really cool, and these poster artwork cards are pretty cool too, because that's just pretty cool. And this is what your overall bundle looks like. Okay, there's still something slotting around. And what the? What have I forgotten to grab out? Ah, the dice. The glow in the dark. Cool dice. Right, I'm just gonna. How I'm gonna get that to stick in there. I might have to put a bit of tape on it eventually, so it will hold in position better. So there you have it, guys. That was your first legal look into your Duskmourn Nightmare bundles. Thanks for staying tuned to Dark Lair. Right, now that I've opened a few of these, I'm actually going to start getting into some other stuff now. Because, yeah, can't show you much more than what I'm already showing you of Duskmourn. I will show you my collection eventually and how many cards I've got. So, but for now, this is Dark Lair Gaming, signing off. Ha ha ha. So cool. Until later, guys. Bye bye.